So like it's a cold day, and I feel like playing drums just because the family went out, and I just it's gonna be my birthday soon, and like fuck it, it's my birthday. So like I want to play some drums. Sorry. Well, I found my new project. Okay. Alright, well, I was sitting there at the drums, you know, just trying to play. And, like, I found my new project, which is, would appear to be a German 45. I think it's a 45. And I think it's bird sounds, which are awesome because we need bird sounds here to get into the spring because this winter blows.